to cook a ladyfinger, a very simple and easy. And the ingredients is ladyfinger, dry prawns, garlic, onions, and tomato, and also oyster sauce and the light sauce, and of course the oil. Let's start, guys. Let's put a little bit of oil to saute. Just wait until the oil a little bit hot. Just fried shrimp, guys, the dry prawns. Guys, the dry prawns is already brown, so you just put the onion first. You know why I need to put the onion until the smell is come out? Then after the onions, you just put the garlic, because if you already put the garlic, it will be burnt. So you need to put the onion first. Then after the onions, the garlic, the tomato, and then the vegetable. Next is the garlic. And the garlic is already brown, so you just put the tomato until the tomato all becomes smashed or small pieces. It's already small pieces of smash, so you put the lady fingers. After you put the lady fingers, you just stir a little bit, add some water, 100 ml, then you cover, then you season after it. Okay, so just put the seasoning whatever you want. You can put also light sauce, or you just can put only chicken powder. So that's so easy and simple.